I literally could have like multiple titties popping up on my face. Like this one right here. This one won't go away. It's been like a week and a half and I'm so over it. I got rid of the ones over here. But I'm just so annoyed I can't even do this anymore. Hi, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course I can never be normal because I'm tired of being normal. I can't do it anymore. It is what it is. But hi. This is the new do for probably another month, maybe, because I get tired of hair easy. I change all the time, but I got my 5 mirrors in front of me. I don't need this many mirrors. I got this, and then I have this to use, and I'm just like all these mirrors. But anyway, I'm going to do I lost the freaking picture. I'm going to do it's like an orangey purple look. I'm going to try to put like an orangey purple look together. So we're gonna see how it looks. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the video right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is how it came out. And yeah, of course, no foundation because I hate wearing foundation. Like I'm back to my I'm having like a natural face to where like I've only liked eyeshadow anyway. So like this is just what happens. I really don't care to put on foundation and pack it on my face and conceal and contour and do all the other extra stuff because like I am comfortable with how I look without foundation. So I mean, I know like foundation adds to like the look and stuff, but like I don't care that much. So there we go. We're gonna just have textured skin and stuff because that's normal. So I don't really care that much. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Everything will be in the description box of everything that I did use. And yeah, I will catch you beautifuls in the next video. Bye.
Oh shit. I'm so hot.